Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is "Police Surprise Woman at Target After She Steals Hundreds in Merchandise." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On December 20th, 2024, officers were dispatched after receiving reports of a woman shoplifting from multiple stores in the area. The woman was later spotted in front of Target.
What have I done?
So, if you want to explain to her what...
Real quick, so right now you are being detained for suspicion of retail theft over at the Kohl's earlier today. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. So
Can I go use the bathroom real fast? I think
Not right now.
Okay.
Where are you coming from today?
I'm just walking around. I just came from one of the stores. I haven't done anything wrong.
I haven't done anything wrong?
No, do you?
Ma'am, you're not free to leave at this time.
Who's that?
You're being detained. Ma'am?
You are being detained.
For what?
You need to stop.
Let me see. Let me use the bathroom.
You stand, no, nope.
Can I call my sister?
We're going to give you a moment to call whoever you'd like.
Why are you
Who is
detaining
that?
me? That's me.
That's
Where?
you, walking out of Kohl's.
When?
At 2:20 in the evening, or the afternoon today. So
No.
here's the deal. I'm going to ask you again for an ID.
I don't have one.
Okay,
What's
what's
gonna
your
happen
name?
to me?
I'm going to ask you.
My name is
Is that short for anything?
Brenda.
All right. Just take a deep breath.
Brenda, do you have anything on your person that has your name?
No.
So we can confirm that?
No, I just want to go use the bathroom and let myself. Can I just go right there?
Nope.
Nope. All right, Brenda, do you have a middle initial, ma'am?
No.
Okay, what's your birthday? Do you have a driver's license?
No, I don't.
Okay. Okay. Do you have a state ID?
No, I have a license. I just don't have anything with
So,
me.
Brenda, I'm going to tell you right now.
What's going on?
Again, you are being detained for suspicion of retail theft. They have you over at Kohl's here, just up the way, on video, putting makeup in your pockets, walking out of the store without paying for it.
I didn't put makeup in my pockets at
Well,
that
I have
store.
you on
Show
video
me the
doing
makeup. I didn't take any makeup from that store. I
Okay.
want to see that right now. You know, and then I want to go. I didn't take any makeup from that store. I swear
So-
I didn't.
Here's the deal.
Show me the makeup.
Hold on.
I didn't. I
Ma'am,
didn't
can
take
you,
any
can
of
you
your
let my
makeup.
partner
Can I
explain
talk?
here?
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
I want you to be totally honest. Is all the information that you've given me correct?
Yes.
Okay. Because I'm going to tell you, if any of the information that you've given me, because right now I do have probable cause for your arrest, if any of that information that you've given me is false, that is going to be an additional charge for obstructing identification.
No, that's me. And can I go home now?
Not yet.
I didn't take any makeup. I didn't take any makeup. I didn't.
Like I said, my partner has video.
I want to see the makeup I took.
Well,
I didn't
that's
take
a promise.
anything.
Promise.
I used the sample.
I need you to-
sir.
I need you to-
No, but I'm okay. I'm
Okay,
not
I
trying
need you to
upset.
calm down a little bit.
Hey, Adam. No middle.
I'm not leaving, sir. I'm white as a
Yeah,
dog.
you're not free to leave, like
Hey,
we
don't
told
be
you.
mean to me.
I'm not being
I
mean
didn't
to
take
you.
makeup though. I didn't. That's not. I didn't.
Okay.
A sample thing I used, but I didn't take any makeup.
Well, I have
there.
you on video putting it in your pockets.
No, that was this
It's
was a
the
sample
exact
thing.
same clothes that you're wearing.
It was a sample
Well,
thing.
you put it in your
wasn't makeup,
pockets.
sir.
You
But
put
because it
in
was a
your
sample.
pockets, that doesn't matter. You can't
I thought
take
you
it.
could. It's a sample.
Well, no, that's not how it works.
It was
Well,
a
then,
sample.
Okay.
I don't even
Are you
have
willing
it
to show me?
anymore. I don't have it anymore.
Okay. Okay.
I don't have the thing. It was like a little sample of a liner, and I don't have it anymore.
Okay.
Because I didn't even I don't
So
have
what
it.
was taken was two things of like makeup powder, with with the little mirrors and the powder that you can put on your face, and then a setter. Okay.
I don't have that anymore. I don't even have
Don't have it anymore. Okay. Where would it
Because
be?
it was just some sample stuff, and I didn't like it.
Well, then
it was
where
like
would it be?
I don't know. I just kind of threw it in. It might be right over there in the garbage. I didn't keep it, sir.
Okay.
I didn't, and it.
At first, I was gonna feel bad for her. I ain't gonna lie, because I'm like, we see theft has increased because of the economy. Okay, people are having tough times, can't afford things, stuff like that. But maybe if she was stealing some food or something like that, like it still doesn't give you, the right, or it's not okay to steal, but it's a little bit more understandable. But then we actually watched the video continuing to watch this video, and the officer proceeds to say, "You stole makeup." Really? You gonna put your record at risk for makeup? Come on now, we can't. Come on, I can't. Come on now, that's crazy. That's crazy. You know, if you was homeless, you was stealing a little food. You know, like we seen the other video that that I did or whatever with the girl that's working or whatever, and she was stealing some money to help out with something or whatever. You know, times is tough. You know, mom's working, this and that. You know, it's not right, but it's a little bit more understandable. Okay, stealing makeup is not understandable. Okay, that's just stupidity. All right.
It's a sample. I didn't think that was wrong. It wasn't like I didn't take. You understand what I didn't know that it doesn't say
They
that.
were on the display, and it didn't say anything on. Hold on, let me finish, please.
I'm sorry, but I didn't.
I'm talking right now. Okay. There's nothing on there that said they were samples. They were display.
Displays are samples. I didn't even keep it. But it was just I didn't steal. Like take stuff. Like you know what I mean? Like stuff like that. I didn't.
Okay. Go ahead. Hold on.
I'm not going anywhere, sir.
No, we're done walking around. You stand right there and don't move until I tell you to.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry. Could you please 10-9?
I didn't know the samples were wrong, and I threw them out. They weren't even my color. You know, you're just goofing around. I didn't mean anything. I took 2 samples.
Brenda,
Okay, no.
I'm going to ask you again. Do you have anything with an ID?
I don't have anything on me.
You have anything with your name on it?
No.
All right.
My face is my face.
Well, that's okay. You don't have any
21065. No, I don't have anything on me.
You don't have a debit card?
I don't have anything on me today.
What about a phone?
I don't have anything on me.
You don't have a phone?
I have my phone, but it's my sister's.
So you said you took samples from where?
Kohl's.
From Kohl's? Friend, I'm
Yeah.
gonna have you wait right here with me, okay?
You just told me you don't have a phone.
No, I said this is my friend's phone. I
it
don't
was your
have a
sister's
phone.
phone,
Like the
actually.
same thing. Same thing.
You're all over the place here.
No, same thing. I'm upset right now, and I wet myself because all of a sudden I'm in trouble for some. And they were like they were translucent. And they
samples?
were, yeah, and they were like so I didn't even keep them.
Okay. What? You have a tag still on your hoodie. What happened there?
That's just my shirt.
You left the tag on it?
It's just my shirt.
It's a new style.
Yeah, it's not a new style.
You ripped the scanner off, but the tag's still
No,
attached.
I didn't write a scanner. This is not. I didn't rip a scanner. This is mine.
Oh, look at the tag. Want me to show
I know.
you?
I see the tag there, but that's not that. That's mine.
Okay, I'm
I
just
see
saying
that
you left.
there. I have layers on today.
Girl, I'm just saying you left the tag on.
No, I
That's
didn't
all.
leave the tag on. It's not. It's just something I threw on.
Okay.
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 So according to Kohl's, she's got a Walmart cart somewhere where she was dumping stuff by a bush. She's wearing the exact same clothes that she was wearing at the time of the theft. I think she's giving me a phony baloney name.
Okay.
She claims she has nothing with her ID.
Okay.
I got a couple other things I'm going to try to ask her. Either way, she's going to be coming with me because I have no way to ID her. So I'm going to double check with Kohl's as far as what she left in the bags and whatnot. But what she took today, we have her on video. You can see her clearly on the display, putting stuff in her pocket. She walks out of the store.
Did Kohl's give you an itemized list of those items from the earlier theft?
They did.
Okay, very good.
Can I use the bathroom at least?
As of right now, no.
Did you just come from, where'd you say, Kohl's?
No, I wasn't at Kohl's. I was just walking around. I was about to call and try to get a lift or something to get him back.
Yeah.
Well, how are we going to do that if you don't have anything on you?
You don't have any money or nothing?
I don't
you
have
just-
that money for lift.
No?
You just said you don't have cards or anything.
I don't have anything on me.
So how are we going to pay for a lift?
I don't know how Lyft works.
Thank you.
Genuinely, I really don't.
Thank you, I see.
Well, I mean,
was going to call a friend.
it's not
I
free.
don't know who I was going to call, but I was trying to call
Somebody,
you,
right? Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
I'm not leaving, sir, so you don't have to act like
Well, we asked you to stay there and you
I don't
haven't,
want to
so
because I'm nervous. I don't see why I have to do what you say.
because I'm a police officer, that's
that
why.
doesn't make a difference. I mean, I'm still a human being.
And I'm treating you fairly, am I not?
know.
I just have asked you to stay there. That makes my job easier.
I'd like to go. I'd like to go home.
Well,
Am I going to be able to go home?
unfortunately, I don't know. My
Am I gonna
partner
be
is
able
the
to go home?
So you know the other gentleman that you were talking to before I came in here?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to talk to him about that.
Okay.
I came here late, that's why I was asking
Okay.
you what your name is and all that.
Dennis and Peters.
Yep.
I'm not gonna run away, Dennis. I'm not gonna hit you. I've never done anything violent.
I'm not saying
guess
you're.
we'd
I'm
like
not
to
saying
go
you're a
home.
violent person.
Where is home?
Down the street.
Oh, okay.
I'm just pacing, sir. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It's nice of them
me
to-
too.
You might pace too. You're handsome though.
Thank you.
Yes, you're nice looking too. There's your flaws.
Oh, well, I appreciate you. That's very kind.
You found it right.
Okay, now. She trying to earn some brownie points. Okay. Hey, who knows? Maybe if she was 20 years younger, he might have taken her down. Who knows?
Here.
Yep.
You're the man, dude. Appreciate
This
you.
is,
I think she's giving me a phony baloney name.
I would assume so, especially if she's not coming back.
Correct. So I'm going to try a couple other things.
Did you talk to Target? Because this is Target's bags.
Target. So earlier they said she didn't take anything, but that may have changed between now and
Yeah,
then.
he's actually, so you're going to want to check, somebody go check up on him. He's going to go review footage, see if she came back.
Can I go home with your
Not yet.
name, Hunter?
My name's Officer Hunter, badge number 1120.
What are we waiting for?
Right now we have somebody talking over to Coles.
I just want to go home.
Okay. So
Please.
I'm going to ask you to stop moving around and stand right there for me, please, okay? That's the last warning. Could you turn and face me, please?
I can hear you. I don't have a knife or
Brenda, we
anything.
have
Brenda?
to be able to see you.
Okay.
I'm not asking, I'm telling. Turn around and face me. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
What part of stop moving
I'm
around do we not
sorry.
understand?
I'm sorry. Okay, talk to me, sir. Come over here.
I got dispatched out to Kohl's earlier
Okay,
today.
yes.
They advised me that there was a retail theft of several pieces of makeup items offered for sale. The total value of those items is $141. They have you on video walking over to the makeup section, putting those items in your pocket, and walking past the last point
I'm
of sale
so sorry. I
without
didn't know,
procuring
but
a form of payment. I'm
weren't
talking,
for
you're
sale.
listening.
I'm apologizing.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry,
Okay, I'm
Mr.
trying to be
Hunter.
nice, but we keep talking
Okay,
over me,
I'm
and that's
not-
a little
okay, keep going.
frustrating.
Keep going,
Give me a
Mr.
moment.
Hunter.
Let him take this call.
Hello. Miss Thomas, could you follow me, please?
Can I take my stuff that I bought?
Hold on just a second, please. I'm going to actually have you stand right here, right next to me, please.
Which way?
Just right here, and I'm going to have you face that way, please.
Why,
Looking
you gonna
over at
put
this.
cuffs
No,
on me?
no, I am not. I'm standing
Where
right
am I
here.
facing? Okay,
We're just
why?
hanging out right here because we have somebody from Kohl's that's going to take a
should
look
we
at
go
you.
over there?
They're going to come to us.
Okay.
Turn over and look at that squad car for me, the white one.
I don't want to.
Okay,
Why do I have to look at the squad car?
okay.
I want to know. Give me an
Because
explanation.
they need to take a look at you.
He told you that before.
And that's like I explained before.
Oh, this is the guy in the car?
Yes,
Which car? The white
the
one?
white one that just drove past
oh,
with
what
the
is this,
little.
some incognito thing? You think someone will come get him? I'm not going to do anything to anyone.
That's just a police
Did
procedure.
he see me?
That's
Can't they They see me with the scars.
very good. All right.
So what happens now? Let's just be honest. I'm very nervous. I peed
So-
on myself.
Okay.
I did.
So, at this moment in time, if you have nothing that can prove to me who you are going to be placed under arrest at this time. Do you have anything that can show me who you are? Don't go reaching for nothing, please. Don't go reaching for anything.
I don't have
please.
anything in my pockets.
I don't know that.
Touch, but then go in them.
So,
That's
I'm going to. You are under arrest at this time for the crime of retail theft. We're going to go over right here to this black F-150, Miss Thomas. Please be mindful of your step. I won't let you.
You're going to have to really help me.
Okay, I've got you. I'm not going to let you fall. I'm just going to take your hat off.
No, don't.
I have to take it off. It's departmental policy.
I don't know. No, please don't. I have a religious beanie that's in my purse
Brenda,
that I
it's
always
going to go
wear.
right back on. I have to take it off real quick and then...
Oh, God. Don't do this to me. Please let me go home.
Nope, we're past that point now. Okay.
I want it back on now.
Brenda?
Please.
I'm going to put it back on. I said I had to take it off for a second and put it right back
Can I have my religious beanie?
Your beanie is still on your
No, is it on my head? Because I was hot and I had taken it off. I have a religious beanie I wear all the time.
What color is it?
It's black.
It's still on your head.
I don't know. I'm
So-
nervous. I'm never going to get out of jail.
The woman was charged with retail theft and obstruction.
She talking about how am I gonna get out of jail? Maybe you should have thought about that before you started stealing makeup. Okay. I think the officers did a very, very good job. I give them 4 out of 5. They were very professional. Because honestly, if I was the officer, I would have probably had her hands behind her back, cuffed up already, and probably in the squad car and talking to her from there. Because all that moving around and shit like that, that would make me nervous, okay? So I think they could have did a better job controlling that situation. I think they waited way too long for that, but whatever the case may be. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.